driving outside in winter time with cabrio tractor. Wow! See, I'm crying of happiness. It's a summer version, summer cabrio. You, why you are calling me now? Good morning. It's a new week, new Monday. And guess what? We have a snow. Take a look on this beast. Ratto. Have a little wind, so it's cold again. It's cold in Denmark. See you.
You need to cut this and make it a meter longer.
Ah, that direction.
Yeah.
No, no. Just thought you wanted to cut the wheelbase.
No, only this one and make it a meter longer or something. Because then we can have it. Because if it comes all the way in here, it's not easy to see it. So if we can move it 1 meter or something.
This is your spring project.
It's my winter project. Because it has to be ready in the spring.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So it's no need for the workshop you right now. It's just
Not for me. I'm not ready yet. No.
because I got last week all the filters and
Yeah, we only need to find out what to do in here.
in here what?
The wheels are going like that.
I will just lift up and then we can see what and where is the problem.
Yeah.
So we have pump, we have everything we have on that one. That's working.
Maybe there is some connection.
But that's the smallest problem.
Yeah, that's not a big issue. Because the plumber and everything is almost new.
So they talk shit, cause they can't stand it. See on a pedestal, you can never buy it. Get a little ratchet, but don't even try it. Got my own money, but I love to get it on me. So I put it in the savings and I get the interest on it. If I want it, I can get it. You don't need a coast.
Good. See you later. By the way, I have fixed the gates finally. I don't know for how long time. But now it's way too better. Now you can move around with the one finger.
Yeah.
See? Oh! Yes. Who the hell you want to cut? Seats? No, then I don't have a knife for you. I think I'm off or out of them.
I don't know, guys.
Say something smart today.
Not today.
Not today.
No, for that what you.
Just like that to talk about the life. Huh? Isn't it? Yes. lots of fun driving outside in wintertime with cabrio tractor. Wow! See, I'm crying of happiness. Anyway, today we have here for the service Rutsch Unitrack. It's a summer version, summer cabrio track. Fuck! Why you are calling me now? Sons, let's try one time more. So today we are talking about our summer tractor, cabrio tractor. It's a Rutsch Unitrack, made in Austria. This one comes or is made in 2002. Comes on with the, or you can put different type of the equipment on. So you can put the equipment on the back as well on the middle of the frame. You can put different stuffs on this beam. And then it originally comes also with some spraying tank on and so on. So it's equipped with a 2-cylinder diesel engine, air cooled. It has 37 horsepower, a lot of power. 37, funny isn't it? But I think it's a lot for 2-cylinder air cooled engine. What else we have here? Yes, and we are going to do full service with the oil change, with the air filters, diesel filters, and maybe some smaller stuffs more. So down here we have oil filter high, then here deeply. And when you take that one out, it always spills all over with the oil. Here we have the engine. There's diesel filter inside. Here on the top we have air filter. Camshaft or valve. No, it's not a camshaft, is it? No, it's a valve lifters. What else we have? And to get the old oil out, here should be somewhere small pipe. Here it is. This comes from the oil sump. So just open that one. That's not original, that's some aftermarket or our self-made. So it's easier to get the oil out. So let's start to move. Everything on this tractor is controlled by the hydraulic. So huge hydraulic pump is connected to that small 2-cylinder diesel engine, and so with the hydraulic is controlled how fast you are driving, so it has hydrostatic gearbox. All the equipment lifting up and down is by hydraulic, steering is by hydraulic. So that's how fast oil runs out from it. Funny. far I have changed all filters on this tractor and placed new oil, engine oil inside. So still is the question, what is the wrong with the front axle, because Jesper thinks there is some free moving in the middle of connection. And then it's still question about the seat. It's air seat, but it doesn't hold air in. It's not going out fast, but slowly losing air. So actually I have totally new seat, but it's slightly different. So I will need to think a little bit how to connect and mount on this tractor that one. See, slightly new, still in the packages. And it was standing all the time in our rules. I didn't order this one. I found out that we have in the stocks that one standing for one moment, and that moment came. We will place on the Rachon. I hope so, that I can place it on. Let's continue. So there is a little bit difference between old seat and new seat. Actually, new seat doesn't plug and play on this tractor because of the hydraulic pipes and something more. I think it was stuck in here and then sitting on the hydraulic pipes. So actually I need around 10 centimeter, maybe a bit more bracket, so to get it higher. That's the one option. Another option what I thought is I will take off old seat off and just get new seat inside in the old one. Since this air system doesn't work, so it doesn't matter, it can go down and it will work just suspension with the air on the new one. That's only theoretically, but let's see what comes out from these two seats. Let's go. So conclusion about the seats. As I was thinking that this bracket I could use for the new seat, my theory didn't work because a new seat new seat bottom is totally flat. So when you place on the old seat bracket, then these sliding places, they just doesn't connect with the old bracket. So it stands on the top, you can't bolt it. So conclusion is that I need build myself new brackets for the new seat. But that's another story for another day. That's it. It's enough for today. See you. Peace. What do we have here? More boxes. More spare parts. Some light one. And some bigger and more heavy one. What we get here is for mini loader spare parts. We are going to service our brakes on it. Here we have new handbrake, new cylinder, new something, I don't know, some for regulation, keeping them, new cable, new shores, and service kit, and package of service filters. That's gonna be funny. Moment when you have 25 million ideas. Welcome back. It's another day. And now we continue our story with the chair for the cabrio tractor. That's just a drawing. That's what's gonna be used for the new holder. And that's how the seat will sit later. I just found the material what we have on the stock. We are just going to reuse old materials. That's the whole idea. As cheap as possible. Now I'm pissed off again, like always in this company. Someone takes tools, breaks them down and doesn't say anything. Our plasma cutter simply doesn't work. When I left it, it was working. Stupidity. Safety joystick is broken and it doesn't make anything. So changing out all the nozzles on the cutting handle, it made it to work again. Happy. So here we have a new bracket for the seat with the holes. Let's cross the fingers that it fits all together. Now it's painted with the primer and I will just leave overnight, and tomorrow morning I will give some normal paint on. And by the way, didn't know that primers run out of the date. Simply it stucks and doesn't come out. I really didn't know that they can run out of the date. It's good that I have only 3 cans of this old out-date primer. All life, live and learn. See you guys.